Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Alicia Shelly, and I'm the host of Thrive for Life Live, which is our weekly live session through the Thrive for Life YouTube channel. Also, I'm the host of the Back on Track Achieving Healthy Weight Loss podcast. So feel free, if you're into podcasts, to check me out. Today, I had a patient in my office who asked me, what is Ozempic Face? We were having this conversation, and we were talking about weight loss, and we're talking about medications that you can use for weight loss. And she was concerned about Ozempic and how it caused Ozempic faces. And so I figured if she had that question, then probably multiple other people have that question as well. So let's just kind of dive deep and talk a little bit about Ozempic faces and kind of like give a little bit of background of what Ozempic is. So I know a lot of people have been talking about Ozempic. Ozempic actually has been out since 2017. We use it for its FDA approved for type 2 diabetes. And what we noticed when they were actually doing studies on this medication is that it actually helps people with losing weight. Usually they lose around 14% of their weight, 15% of their weight. And so what happened was they took the same medication and they actually got it approved for weight loss. So people can use, and that medication is called Wegovy. So it's the same medication, just that the Ozempic is a lower dose than the Wegovy, but they both can help with losing weight. And last year, when there was a back order on the Wegovy, a lot of the people ended up using Ozempic as a way of, still getting the medication, but just at a lower dose and waiting until the Wegovy came back on the market. Now Wegovy's on the market, so it's a little bit easier. And then the other thing is, because Wegovy was back ordered, a lot of people were using the Ozempic, and that became back ordered too. And then we started seeing a lot more of the compounding pharmacies and different entities starting to offer Ozempic as well, because it's easier to get and it's more affordable. So that's the background of Ozempic. But Ozempic's been out there for a while. And so Ozempic Face is not necessarily an accurate term. What it means is it's that when you lose weight, your body starts to utilize the fat that's stored. And so in our face, in our cheeks, in our forehead, we tend to have a lot of fat that's stored there. And so as we start to lose weight, the fat starts to decrease. And so you start to see more of these wrinkles like I have on my face, or you see them on the side. People look a little bit thinner. That's just normal weight loss that happens. And it happens regardless if you use Ozempic or not. You can use something else to lose weight and still notice that your face is a little bit more drawn out. You may have a little bit more wrinkles than normal. And that's basically because the fat is being utilized for energy. And so you have less of it in your face. And so it's not just the Ozempic that's causing that. This is just weight loss in general. Now, the question is, when you lose weight, what happens? And a lot of times my patients are concerned with the fact that they have more flabby skin after losing weight. One lady, she's like, that's why I don't want to do bariatric surgery, because I'm going to lose too much weight and I'm going to have flabby skin. Well, there are ways that you can kind of treat that. Definitely by toning your muscles while you're losing weight is important. Also, by losing weight slower, your body sometimes has a way of just kind of tightening up a little bit. Maybe not completely. You may still have extra skin, but it won't be as bad. The other thing is, and toning makes a difference as well. The other thing is with the face, if you're really concerned about losing weight and not, your face looking a little bit more, just a little bit more less fatty or shrunken, you can always, get fillers from your plastic surgery, or you can kind of continue to drink more fluids, have more hydration, water, to kind of help with decreasing the wrinkles that may occur. But ultimately, you have to think about what's the purpose, right? So if I'm losing weight, I'm getting healthier. Like my heart's healthier. Like I'm living longer because I've lost weight. And so, don't think of it as, oh, well, I don't want to look different, and so that I'm not going to do anything. No, it's important that you get started with your lifestyle change so that you can live a healthier life. I hope that helps and hope that explains a little bit about Ozempic Faces. And if you have any questions that you want me to answer, feel free to put it down in the chat. I'll be happy to create a video just for you. And once again, check me out. You can find me on Instagram at Dr. Shelly MD, and then also my podcast at Back on Track Achieving Healthy Weight Loss. All right. See you next week. Bye.